Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan Ramangi Hakerdog Ying Jongpi.
Uba Lahkmen rumbui ubalong menteri jong ketenat ki kampo yeng ke Sorkar jilla ula ong baga Sorkar jilla kan hab ban Ïaid Katkum ki kendon jong ke riti sensyar kari India lada ke Sorkar kala Ïaid Shakmat naga Bynta ban Thung yo Ksiang Hapdeng ka jing ekren yasuk jong ke Sorkar bat ke sengking atiar henyo trep National Liberation Council. Kani kejing pensya jong menteri ketenat ki kampo yeng kalong hadin baka seng Hnlc ha ukurwa bala pha syakilat pathai khubor kala penpau bakan am sange setia ya ki kampentri hapo kani ke jilla Meghalaya kad baka Sorkar kampat long ka bakloi ban Thung ya Ksiang uban mi khamat ne ka Bynta ka jing yakren yasuk Hapdeng ka Sorkar bat kani ka sengking atiar na rilom khasi.
This is the issue which concern the state. All issue which concern the state will be raised, but this issue, for this issue we are working on it, but it is not the issue which I can tell that we will raise this issue. Raising the issue when there is a meeting point, then only. As of now, all I can say that I hope that at some point of time we will have a meeting point, then only thing could start in whatever we want. The state machinery, the central machinery, we will do whatever thing to see that that peace and tranquility, peace and security is there in the state. So I don't want to go beyond that. The agencies know what they will do, we will do. To react on that, I didn't want to reply on that. As I said, when I have already mentioned that the police, the security agency will do whatever needs to be done, so the matter ends there. It is the duty of the government to provide the necessary security to every citizen of the state. It is duty of the government to provide the peace and to see that peace and tranquility is prevail in the state. So regarding the coming of our Union Home Minister to the state of Meghalaya, all necessary measure is being done and will be done in coordination with the state police, the central agencies. Anything to be done, we will do. He is always there and we will do, and what it is necessary to be done as per our intelligence input and thing we will do. I don't know, I have not seen that statement of them. So, but as I said, that it is the duty of the government to see that the law and order is prevailing in the state, that peace and tranquility is the state, and security of the citizen is there. So, from us, we will do, from the police department, they will do the maximum possible to see that this thing is maintained. You see, whatever the police have done investigation, and whatever the people who are being arrested confess, that statement will be produced in the court. So as of now, it does not matter for me who, but the matter is that those who are have a hand in this IED blast or other thing, they have been arrested, and more. According to investigation, if there are more, they will be arrested. Regarding that statement, everything will look into in the best interest of the state, in the best interest according to the within the constitution, preamble of the constitution of the India. Whatever thing to be done, we will do. I don't want to tell much because, as I said, that I hope that something may happen in due course of time. Everybody wants peace, so I appreciate the statement of the Hnlc also that they want to talk. But the thing is that whatever it is to be talked is within the parameter of the Constitution of India. So I hope that in due course of time, meeting point may be there. Then we will see. See, it is too premature for me to say anything. As I said, that we are working on it, and as the government, it is not only very easy for us to do anything. We have to abide by the Constitution of India, and whatever we do, we have to do within the parameter of the existing law. And the law is that now to appoint any interlocutor, we have, as we know that it is Hnlc is still a banned organization. So every step we move, we have also to seek to inform the central government, so that there will be, once we start anything, if at all we start, then there is no turning back. We have to reach our goal.